Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed about the derivatives of the exponential functions. Okay, exercise 5.4 already discussed. Next we will move to the logarithmic differentiation. Derivatives of the logarithmic functions. How we can simplify in this video we are going to discuss. Okay, my dear students, logarithmic differentiation. Okay, exercise 5.5. Exercise 5.5. First question: differentiate the following with respect to x. This is the first question. All questions have to differentiate. Okay, differentiate the following functions, logarithmic the function, following functions with respect to x. Okay. See, first question. So my dear students, so example so in the examination they won't give a logarithmic function ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್, how you can understood I will explain in this video. Okay, see, so let us consider the first question: cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. Okay, if two functions are there, we can easily solve the by using the UV multiplication formula ಇದೆ. So three functions ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ multiplication ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, but by using the logarithmic differentiation we can easily solve the problems. ಯಾವ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. Okay, so multiplication theorem ಇಂದ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Another formula is there. If 4 is there, 5 is there. Okay, that's why I had to learn how to solve by using logarithmic functions. Okay, by using the logarithmic functions. That's why I am considering this function as y. Y ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Y is equals to, okay, apply the log both sides. So ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಲಾಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಈ ತರ 3 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ 4 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ is there, use log. It is very easy to solve. Okay, this is first technique. One by one I will get, have to keep it in your mind. Okay, my dear students, so 3 functions ಆಗಲಿ 4 functions ಆಗಲಿ 5 more than any function multiplication ಇದ್ರೆ you have to use logarithmic differentiation. Okay, how to solve I will tell you. Log, apply the log both sides. Log y is equals to log of cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. Cos 2x into cos 3x. Okay, one formula is there already told in last video. Log a b c. What is formula? Log a plus log b plus log c. Innondu plus. Okay, multiplication is there, we can divide it with the plus and already told the formula in last video. If you don't know, now you learn. Okay, so therefore log y is equals to log of cos x plus log of cos 2x plus log of cos 3x. Okay, log of cos 3x, cos x. Okay, so this is the procedure. Plus bandre, if plus came means it is very easy to solve. Adu also ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, now differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay, d by dx of log y is equals to direct apply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ each one ಗೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ this is one lengthy problem, no? That's why again apply ಮಾಡೋದು it is problematic. That's why. Okay, d by dx of this one, d by dx of this one, d by dx of this one, right down. Okay, so d by dx of log of cos x, okay, plus d by dx of log of cos 2x plus d by dx of log of cos 3x. Okay, so this is the procedure like that. Now differentiate according to the problem. Okay, now what is the, you have to know formula. D by dx of log x is what? D by dx of log x, 1 by x. Here d by dx of log y is there now. Same, x plus 1 y is there. So therefore 1 by r, 1 1 by y, 1 by y, 1 by y. But don't leave. ಅದೇ ತರ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಬಾರದು. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? again you have to differentiate y. x ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x ಗೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. dy x log x ಇದ್ರೆ dy dx of log x ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 by x, x ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ dx by dx ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 it will come. That's why we are not doing again. But y ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So log y means 1 by y, y ಗೆ dy by dx. ಹೀಗೆ log of cos x, x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ? cos x ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ cos x ಇದೆ. So therefore we can is equals to 1 by x plus cos x is 1 by cos x into dy dx of cos dy dx of cos plus same procedure you have to follow. 1 divided by cos 2x dy dx of cos 2x, 1 divided by cos 3x dy dx of cos 3x. easy ಆಗಿದೆ, very easy problem. ಓಕೆನಾ? cos 3x simplify it. now simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 by y ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತರಿಸ್ಬೋದು. 1 by y dy by dx, dy by dx equals to y into, okay, y into see y into 1 by cos x, 1 by cos x into dy by dx of cos x minus sin x now, minus sin x plus, okay, 1 by cos 2x dy by dx of cos 2x minus sin 2x, minus sin 2x into 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಗುರುತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. I will tell one formula. Please listen here. I will tell one formula. So here I will explain it. So dy by dx of cos x minus dy by dx of cos x minus sin x ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? minus sin x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, dy by dx of cos 2x ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. cos 2x what is answer? minus sin 2x, minus sin 2x, 2x ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 2x ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2x ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so dy by dx of 2x 2 ನೋ, so ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. so therefore 2 into sin 2x minus 2 into sin 2x. ಅದೇ 3x ಬಂದ್ರೆ cos 3x minus 3 into sin 3x, like that you have to write. so x ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ sin 2x ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇವಾಗ? sin 2x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ? tell me. dy by dx of cos 2x is what? minus 2 ಇರ್ತಲ್ವಾ? 2 minus 2 sin 2x plus 1 by cos 3x into minus cos ಅಲ್ವಾ? 3x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್? 3 into sin 3x minus 3 into sin 3x. okay na? so like that we have to simplify. or very easy na, then simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, I will write one second. See, so here dy by dx is equals to what is y? y already there no cos x, cos 2x, right? cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. okay, into so I will write here into. okay, into into but 1 by cos x into minus sin x ಇದೆ. so 1 into minus sin x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus sin x by cos x. okay, see, sin x by cos x is what? tan x comes, so minus is there, so therefore minus tan x, and 2 is there, so minus 2 into sin 2x by cos 2x, tan 2x. okay, next minus 3, so here minus 3 into sin by cos what? tan 3x, so this is the answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನ. ಸೊ ಎನಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್. Okay, this is the answer, dy by dx. Like that we have to solve the problem. Okay. See next question number 3. So question number 2 I will do next. Okay. Why? Because that is also a lengthy problem. Y is equals to log x whole to the power of cos x. Next method. So more than 3 functions, 2 functions idre we can use log anta helidiva. Next another technique. What is that? Another technique means power olage power. So see log x next question is y is equals to cos x log x whole power cos x. Log x whole power cos x. Okay. So power olage power ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ power olage x term cos x ಆಗಬಹುದು x square ಆಗಬಹುದು x cube ಆಗಬಹುದು cos inverse x ಆಗಬಹುದು x term ಏನನ್ನ x term otherwise y term cos y sin inverse y y square y so y term power ಒಳಗೆ x term ಆಗಲಿ y term ಆಗಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ have to use the logarithm differentiation. This is the second technique. ಗೊತ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ second technique. Okay, what is the second technique? Power ಒಳಗಡೆ x term or y term already explained. Okay, so if they had to use compulsory, that is logarithmic differentiation ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. What is logarithm? Now how to do logarithmic differentiation? I will explain. See, so apply log both sides. Log y is equals to log of log x whole power cos x. Students ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಲಾಗ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಲಾಗ್ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ನಾವು ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಓ ಪವರ್ cos x ಇದಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್. ಲಾಗ್ ಎ ಪವರ್ ಎಮ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪವರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ದ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್. ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್. ಓಕೆ, by using the properties of the logarithm, log y is equals to cos x into log of log x base e. Okay, cos x becomes the coefficient. Good, main problem solver out. Next, now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Both sides d by dx ಮಾಡಿ. d by dx of log y is equals to d by dx of cos x into log of log x. Okay, d by dx of log y already told in last problem. No, d by dx of log y, that is formula 1 by y d by dx. What is the d by dx of log y? 1 by y d by dx. It is familiar. Okay, have to learn each step, all process. Next, observe this one. Cos x, one function, log of log x total is one. This is another function. Two functions are there now. Two functions is there. UV functionality ಇದೆ. What is that? UV d by dx of first function into second function. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? First function into d by dx of second function plus ulta second function first function differentiation. Method is there. Apply that method. Is equals to first function right hand side only cos x into d by dx of log of log x d by dx of log of log x plus d by dx of log x plus log of log x log of log x into d by dx of cos x. Log of log x ulta ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. So y is equals to d by dx is equals to y into y into y into cos x into d by dx of log x already told in previous video. Log of log x ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, log of x ತರ ಇದೆ, log of x ತರ ಇದೆ. x ಅಂದ್ರೆ log x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, 1 by x ಬರ್ತದೆ, 1 by log x, 1 by log x into log x ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ therefore 1 by x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ told in previous video. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, previous video. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, log of x into d by dx of cos x, normalize it now, minus sin x. Okay, over. Okay, I will simplify dx. So y is equals to dy by dx is equals to y is that y, what is y here, y log x whole power cos x, log x whole power cos x. Okay, into and idella, so cos x divided by x log x, cos x divided by x log x plus minus, okay, minus tell me, log of log x into sin x. Now first sin x करो, minus sin x into log of log. So this is the procedure you have to follow. dy by dx is equals to answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಮೇನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪವರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಮ್ ವೈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4. x power x minus 2 power sin x, minus 2 power sin x. So therefore consider y is equals to x power x minus 2 power sin x. Okay, if the function is like that, ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಟೂ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಪವರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಹೌ ಟು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್, ಸಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಯು ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಯು ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ 2 ಪವರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, 2 ಪವರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ನ ವಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಯು ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to du by dx with respect to x. differentiate u with respect to andre du by dx, differentiate y with respect to x andre dy by dx, differentiate m with respect to x andre dm by dx, like that you have to understand this. Okay, situation depends upon the problem. So don't do directly differentiation. If you do means there is no formula for x power x now. So that's why cancel this one. Have to learn now. That's why I am doing like this. Okay, next. So apply the law. Already told now one technique. What is the technique? Power on x term agli y term agli idre have to use log anta helidina. Log u is equals to log x power x. Log u is equals to log x power x. Log u is equals to according to the properties of logarithm. Already told now. Power idre it will become coefficient now. X log x agutte. So x log x. Now differentiate with respect to x. d by dx of log u, okay, d by dx of log u is equals to d by dx of log u is equals to d by dx of x log x. Okay, next simplify it. d by dx of log u What is dy dx of log x? 1 by x. Dy dx of log u 1 by u. That's it. 1 by u into again we have to differentiate u. U madre maadu. So du by dx is equals to u into v. uv function. First function into second function. Okay, first function into second function. So therefore x into d by dx of log x plus x into d by dx of log x ulta matte log x into d by dx of x so this is the procedure you have to follow. Understood? Next, du by dx is equals to u inside us u into x. Okay, d by dx of log x is what? 1 by x plus log x. dx cancel ಆದರೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so this is the procedure. So substitute the u value substitute ಮಾಡಿ. So du by dx is equals to what is u here? U x power x into x cancel so 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 1 plus log x. Okay, so first one is over. Okay na. Next we will move to the second one is 2 power sin x. Take the second one. Let u over v is equals to 2 power sin x. Now again differentiate log v is equals to log 2 power sin x. Okay na. So next ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ log v is equals to power coefficient ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ so sin x into log. Now differentiate with respect to x. Okay na. With respect to x. Okay, so I will write here log v d by dx of log v is equals to d by dx of sin x into log log 2 into sin x, log 2 into d by dx of log 2 into sin x. Okay na, log 2 into sin x. So here what is log 2? Log 2 is constant. Now constant ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 4 5 6 7 2 by 3 like that. Constant with function uv ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. Constant with function. Now what is d by dx of log v? 1 by v into dv by dx. v no u ಇದ್ರೆ 1 by u du by dx, y ಇದ್ರೆ 1 by dy by dx. ಅದರ have to understood, depends upon the problem. Okay, next log 2 is constant. Already told no formula. Constant with function ಇದೆ. constant na make it out ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಸೊ make it out ಅಂತ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ d by dx of sin x cos answer. So therefore dv by dx is equal to v into log 2 cos x. What is v here? 2 power sin x. So 2 power sin x into log 2 cos x. Easy again. See, very easy problem. Okay, second one is also over. I write next. Second one is over. First one is over. Second one is over. After these two, I will do here. Illu ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Now first function ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ equation 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. equation 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. equation ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ from 1 ಇಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this function already consider as u ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So this function x power x is x power x na already u ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. 2 power sin x already v ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So from 1 equation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ y is equals to this is u no u minus v u minus ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. After that one differentiate again, differentiate here, differentiate with respect to x, okay na. So y madre dy by dx is equals to du by dx minus dv by dx, okay, du by dx minus dv by dx, okay. So what is answer now? Dy by dx, this is the answer. So how to calculate du by dx? Du by dx already calculated this mari tagolli substitute ಮಾಡಿ. So is equals to dy by dx is equals to du by dx x power x, sorry x power x into 1 plus log x, x power x into 1 plus log x minus 1 plus log x ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ. So x power x into 1 plus log x minus dv by dx dv by dx is equals to 2 power x 2 power sin x into log 2 into log x, like that we have to simplify, okay. So this is du by dx, this is dv by dx, like that we have to simplify. Note again, this is small problem, okay, but see how lengthy it is. Have to do like this, all problems you have to do like this, okay na. Some problems coefficient sorry power ಒಳಗೆ external item ಇದೆ separate ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. My dear students, this is the procedure you have to follow. This is also one of the important question, okay. So this in this logarithmic differentiation in the 3 marks question ಬರುತ್ತೆ main examination ಅಲ್ಲಿ, very important. Logarithmic differentiation is very important for the 3 marks questions, okay. Last exercise is there no exponential and implicit and inverse, that is important for 2 marks question, okay. So my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt means comment in this below video, okay, below this video, okay. My dear students, through WhatsApp also you can ask the doubts. Thank you.